Hi, I'm Trisha Singh.
Hi, I am Adnan.
Hi, I'm Kritika Tripathi.
Hi, I am Vaibhav Sharma.
Hi, I am Akar Misra.
Hi, I am Kunal Trivedi.
Hi, I am Abhay Singh.
Hi, I am Anushka.
Hi, I am Shivani Yadav.
Hi, I'm Akti Kushwaha. Hello everyone, we are here to conduct a debate over the topic whether homework is necessity or not. So, I and my team is in the favor of it. So, my first point is that why we are coming here every day, sitting in the class, switching the books from the back according to the period. We see in our 15 years of schooling, after every period, different teacher comes and teaches a new subject. So, our teachers are like God to us. If God is asking to give something in the form of homework, so I don't think it is something to worry about. Whatever we study in the class, the teacher gives it in the form of homework. So, what's so bad in completing the homework? My friend, I'm strongly disagreeing your views on homework. You know why? Because according to me, a student who isn't paying attention in class that what his or her teacher is teaching, then there is no need of homework. Because that student, if didn't paying attention, will definitely not complete his homework by his or her own. He would definitely take help from his or her friend's notebook or Google to complete his homework. So it's just all about cheating. Just because that student is didn't paying attention, so I don't think it will score good marks in his academics.
Well, my friend, I think this system of homework is running since the time our father wouldn't been born. I think doing homework at home makes me feel confident about that topic also. It helps me to remember the details of the subject that I was taught in school today. It also helps me to gain an edge over other students of my class who doesn't believe doing homework timely.
My friend, I don't think that alone homework makes you a smarter student. Do you know why? Let me tell you. We spend around 6 to 7 hours in the school. We reach home by 3 o'clock or sometimes 4 o'clock. After spending much time in the school, when we reach home, our body gets tired. And instead of taking rest, we are bounded to complete our homework. It might be good for once and twice in the week, but I don't think that it good for every day. I don't think that it well to lose my physical and mental peace or for completing the homework on a daily basis for hours.
Well, my friend, why we are studying in school so that make our parent proud. Under that, we need to study hard, we need to work hard, and we also need to revise those topics which were discussed in class. When you start doing homework, you revise your topics which were discussed in class. You have any problem while completing a homework, so you can ask the subject teacher for the same.
Yes, my friend, I am disagreeing your point because if I am a studious student, I will have any doubt and query. I will ask when the lecture is getting delivered in the class. I think generally we all ask questions when the lecture is getting delivered in the class under some teacher. So what's the need to revise it if I understand the topic very well in the class only?
Well, my friend, I think you hate homework. That's why you're not thinking about the benefits related to it. In spite of having many qualities, you are unable to see the goods in it. Homework makes us intelligent and responsible. Also, while at home, when we study in the name of homework, even our parents don't scold us because even they think that we are doing something productive in our academics.
My friend, I don't think that alone homework make me responsible by any angle because if I am getting the topic by listening them attentively and concentrated in the class, at the I think I will score good mark. At the end of the day, the result will be your mirror for your hard work and nobody sees that how much homework you completed, for how much are you awake to complete the homework. The thing that only matters is what rank or percentage I am getting in my academic session.
Well, Adnan, each day our different subject teacher assign us homework so that we can understand the chapter, complete our work, and complete the chapter by the deadline. So we never run out of time for our revision. Even when the tests are going on, our subject teacher assign us tests so that we can revise the chapters. If we are unable to complete our own work, how can you imagine that we will be able to secure good rank and percentage in our academics? When examination are coming, we also study the chapters. Is also a form of homework. I think you all would be doing so because I don't think you will go and give your examination without any prior preparation.
Yes, my friend, you are right. I never go to give my exams unprepared, but that doesn't mean that I will just go on studying and leave my other important work, as I think that homework takes a lot of time to complete and to pursue, and eventually sometimes homework even don't make sense. So I think we the students should be assigned with something practical and creative that will help us to understand the topic better, and it will also save time.
From the given points and facts from both the teams, we can understand that giving homework is not something less and that could be completed in a given interval of time.